we're gonna trade for Minnie with a bow. Any Stitch? I don't see Stitch. Transportation. I thought I saw a Skyliner to transportation.
There we go.
Hey adventurers, we're here at Coronado Springs and we're doing another pin quest. This time around we have a 3x3. It's a little bit smaller for those who don't have a lot of pins to trade. This is the pin board for you. We have a princess, villains, bowling pin, words, transportation, characters that swim, character with a bow, and Stitch. So those are the pins we're on the lookout for today. Plus, we have this new amazing pin trading app that is a must-have when pin questing. So come along for the journey, grab your pins, and let's go. Alright, so we're here in the lobby. We're going to show this really cool new app called the pin trading app. On this app, you can do all the pins that you have in your collection. You can add pins to your traders. You can add pins that are on your wish list. We're going to show you what it looks like using the trade evaluator, which is like going up to a board, picking a pin, and seeing if it's the same equivalent to each other, and seeing if it's a fair trade. I don't know, you got some good ones on here today. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a fair trade. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the scan portion of the app, go to trade evaluator, You're going to scan your pin that you have, and then scan the pin that you're looking to get, and then see if it's a fair trade. Oh, there it is. Confirm our matches and let's see if they're fair. It's a fair trade, so we're going to put this one and trade this one for that one. As you can see, it was a fair trade. So I traded my Simba for this proud Mickey. I think it's a transgender flag. So that's what I traded for. And then if you wanted, you can say that this was very helpful. And then you can do another trade. Now that I have this pin, I'm going to add this pin, and I'm going to identify it. I'm going to add this pin to my collection, and that's the pin that I'm looking for. I'm going to add it to my collection, and there you go. Now it's in my board. And that is how you use the trade evaluator on the pin trading app. These are the pins that we got over here at the lobby. We have a transportation and our character with a bow. I'm so excited. A lot more to go. But actually, one more to go for a bingo either direction. We might head over to the food court to see what they have over there. All that's downstairs, of course. Alright, so we made it to the merchandise store. Let's ask Eli. Hello. Hey, can I get your board, please? So we're looking for a Stitch, words, a villain, a bowling pin, a princess, or a character that swims. Oh, King Triton swims.
He does.
We're also looking for
a villain.
A villain. Yes. Thank you.
That's the two.
So we got King Triton and we got a villain. We got Scar's Chin. Those are the two pins we got here at Pinchitos. We made it over here to the food court. Let's see if they have a pin board anywhere at all. Let's ask this nice lady over here if she knows that there's a pin board here. Hi there. Question, do you have a pin board? A pin board. What is a pin board? She had no idea what a pin board was. She had to phone a friend. Anyways, let's see if there is another spot that has a pin board. There's a guest services at the very end of the convention center. I don't know if they'll have a pin board. And just so you have an update, when I got the King Triton, when I got the Scar pin, that gave us a bingo. However, we are on the hunt to do a blackout because it is a smaller board. And because it is a smaller board, the prizes are different. If you get a full blackout, that means you get one of the mystery packs, like the Wave A, Wave B, Wave A 2026. So we just asked a nice cast member who works here, and they said that the guest relations window is not open. We're gonna go see if the guest services inside the tower is open and see what they've got going on over there. We're gonna see if the restaurant over here has a pin board. Sometimes some restaurants have pin boards and some don't. Fingers crossed. So this restaurant does not have a pin board. So now we're in the pool. We're gonna see if the rec people out here have a pin board. Fingers crossed. So they're getting the pin board for us. I asked somebody at the rec center outside if they had a pin board and they said yes. So they're getting it for us. It's gonna take a minute. You always have to ask. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. Let's see. You have good ones on here.
We redid it not too long ago, and we had like all of like the
Newer ones.
It's been traded through quite a lot, I think, in the past week or so.
So we got these two from the rec center. Well, from the rec people, not the rec center. They don't have a rec center here at Coronado Springs. However, they had their pin board. They were glad enough to get it out for us. Alright, so just so you know, this is what our board looks like so far. We're 2 away from a blackout. We just need a bowling pin and one with words on it. Some of them I chose the harder ones to go with first, just because I didn't know how many boards were here at Coronado Springs. I haven't seen a bowling pin yet, and I've seen a lot with words on it. And as we can see, we have five bingos. We're just missing a bowling pin. Now, there wasn't any bowling pins on any of the boards that we've seen. Well, unfortunately, we did not get a blackout on our bingo board. However, I did get 5 bingos, so I do get to go get a prize. So we're over here in Pinchitos, and we're gonna get our prize. I think I'm only allowed one. What do I want to do? A blue one, or do I want to do? We'll do the pink one today. I was gonna do the blue one, but I think we're good. So let's open it up and see what we got. We got the Wave Beat 2025. I haven't started this one quite yet, so anything that's in this pack is a new one for me. So let's see what we got. I have some, not a lot of these, so let's see what we got. Is that Kermit the Frog? Yes, I don't have Kermit the Frog. So Kermit's new. I think that almost completes my green portion of my 2025. Is this Tinkerbell? I don't have any D's for the 2025 Wave A. So 2 green ones. Nice. That's exciting. I can add those to our pin trading app. So I'm going to take this pin. I'm going to screenshot it. Not exactly screenshot it, but I'm going to take a picture of it. And then I'm going to scan it. It came up with the wrong pin. Once you click wrong match, it comes up with these options. The one I'm looking for is that one right there. We're going to say that one's the correct one. We're going to add it to my collection at the bottom, add pin, and now it's been added. And now we're going to do the same with Tinkerbell. I'm going to scan this one right here. It's going to load. It came up with the correct match. We're going to say correct, and then we're going to add it to my collection. And there you go. That's how you use the identify portion of the Pin Trader app. When you're in search of pins and you want to add it to like your wish list, you can go all the way down to the bottom where it has all these pins right here. So this one right here is a Kingdom Hearts pin that's bell related. I want that one on mine. So I'm going to add it to my wish list up here. It's added to my ISO. And then I'm going to come down here and scroll and see if there's any down here I want, like this Pain and Panic one. Well, it's Hades. And then I think there was more this direction. I want this Aurora one. I want this Winnie the Pooh one. And then let's see. I definitely want this Pluto one. Add that one to my ISO. So you're going to go to this ISO right here where it says 8. And there's a whole bunch of pins here. So these are all the pins that I want in my collection. So some of these are Disneyland and some of these are Disney World. So the Disneyland pins are mostly this Winnie the Pooh, Pluto, and this Aurora. And this Hades pin. Oops. But like this Pirates, this Maleficent, and I think this Haunted Mansion one and this Belle one is all Disney World. So I can get those ones here. So all these pins together have a value of $337. Now, if I went to the pins that are my traders, these are all my trading pins. Some of them I don't have anymore because I traded them away, but some of them I still do have on me. But these are all the pins that are my traders. I don't have a lot of traders, but so to remove one of my traders, I go over to the trader I don't have anymore, hold it down, remove from my traders, and remove it all together, and now it's gone. So now I don't have this Minnie Mouse one, so I'm going to remove my Minnie Mouse one from here. And I don't have this chaser anymore, so I'm going to remove that one from here as well. And I think I don't have the Simba one no more either. So I'm going to remove that one as well. And I think those are all the ones I don't have anymore on my traders. Yeah, those are all the ones I don't have anymore as my traders. That's how you use the trader portion of this app. And then you have your pins in total. So if you want to know what you have in your collection, you go to right here where it says 830 pins. My collection is right down here at Megan's board, and these are all the pins that I have in my collection. There's a lot. We won't go through them all, but there's a lot. And with that, grab your pins, let's go on an adventure, and we'll see you next week, friends. Farewell.